We're in Kishangarh at the moment, just taking a short break for lunch, and Delhi's another 6 hours. It's 12:30 right now, so we are hoping to make in time before kickoff. Not sure if we can make it till the pre-match show.
Today is going to be a very exciting game, and I think Liverpool will win by 2-1, and Firmino will score for sure. And mostly we have to rely on counters only, because Pep knows how to work against his team.
So basically they will dominate the midfield, you're saying?
Yeah, they will definitely dominate the midfield, and I think we'll play with back three. Like Milner will stay at back, not going aggressively forward. So I think 2-1 will be the score, and this is going to be a very, very good match.
Right, definitely. I think this is a fixture which entertains like every aspect of the game, from attacking football to defensive football as well at times, because it's just crazy, right? Because this is, you're talking about Liverpool versus Manchester City. It's always amazing. You have two of the greatest managers, of course, fighting against each other. With Liverpool have almost the same starting 11 as they had like a couple of years back. That obviously keeps on changing it, so you know, every year is something or the other new that they come up with. So let's see, and hopefully we come back home with 3 points.
So far, not so good. Hey, second half still to come.
Yeah, man, like crazy, bro.
intense, but
It's intense, but we're not getting the balls enough here. I mean, like, we're not able to get
crosses नहीं हो पा रहे.
midfield was a question.
मतलब intricate passing वो कर रहे हैं, सब कुछ वही कर रहे हैं.
Midfield was a question right from the very beginning. और वही ले डूब रही है.
Banks में भी नहीं है, Arnold नहीं है.
You think he'll bring on Naby Keita? He has to bring on Naby Keita, right?
To go in between those spaces.
But they're still playing long balls against Man City. Sorry?
They should also bring Firmino.
Bobby?
Yeah, because ball control नहीं हो रहा.
Yeah, exactly. And the passing is not that great either, right?
Jota is not being effective.
Go through the middle.
Does Milner go off and Gomez comes in?
But no, I don't think. I don't think that.
Milner goes off, Gomez comes in his place.
Maybe Tsimikas comes in. Tsimikas is more
I think
attacking.
Keita and Firmino and play through the middle.
Firmino.
अभी तो कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है.
वो मैच जीतेंगे.
हाँ 1-0 साला पेनल्टी.
He was a Salah penalty. Hey, for a penalty, you have to get in the box first. हाँ भाई, क्या सीन है? कैसा था फर्स्ट हाफ?
Like Hazard said under Conte, if we could have played another match, yeah, now we can play 2 halves more. Judging by this half, we can play 2 more halves.
You think probably make any changes? Naby Keita, Bobby
I
Firmino,
think
Gomez.
we should remove Jones and Jota, maybe Jones and Mane. We'll see. I don't think Mane moving out, so
Or maybe
Firmino
he, keeps
taking
in,
it.
he brings in Bobby Firmino, plays Jota up front.
I don't think so because you have to be cautious against City. That is like they are posting numbers there, almost 8 to 9 shots and like 2 penalty shouts. And Foden is doing great. So they need help on the right side with Milner. And Hendo is not supplying that win.
Do you think we can still win this?
Yeah, it is just a winnable.
Lot of positivity यार, lot of positivity. बोलो ना, हाँ भैया, क्या चाह रहे हो?
राइट बैक पे होनी है तो मिलनर ने बहुत देखे समझ में आता है.
मिलनर को अगर रिप्लेस भी करना कोई है ही नहीं, उसको करें.
मेरे को विलियम को लेके या तो गोमेज डाल दो या गोमेज midweek. I think Firmino is definitely coming. Firmino is definitely coming.
So Bobby comes in, Mane gets the sub, or someone from the midfield gets the sub. See, what we want is a game of good football. We want end-to-end football. The first half wasn't that good. For second half, I think we should work on more. नहीं हम थक गए.
बहुत खूब.
Come on, Roger!
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं,
2 टाइम वेस्ट मत दे यार। भाई 500 गोल
हो गया।
The penalty did not win.
What's up, guys? How's the game?
Crazy game.
Mo Salah, best in the world.
Best in the world. For a reason, best in the fucking world.
Could have got the win, man.
I know, man. I know.
फर्स्ट हाफ को देख के लग नहीं रहा था कि सारे जीत पाएंगे।
First half में तो लग रहा था भाई 10 पास नहीं हो पाएंगे साथ में।
भाई ड्रॉ करो, पॉइंट लो, घर जाओ।
पूरा भी regret
कोई नहीं। Come on, Liverpool!
But we'll still managed 1 point against a good team,
Yeah.
complete team actually, which had more firepower on the bench than us because I think we just made
Still
2 substitutions, That's it. right? Naby Keita, Thiago.
Thiago नहीं था, Trent नहीं था भाई.
Trent नहीं था भाई, best right back in the world.
Best right back in the world.
Naby Keita, best player in the world. Naby Keita, but not enough.
Backup right back was missing. And I don't know why we didn't defend properly in the second half. We could have won it very easily.
I think they were too much for us on the offensive, especially in the first half. We were all around the place, and the problem was that they were dominating not only the midfield but the wings as well.
Yeah, bit disappointed because we took the lead twice, right?
Yeah.
So we could have won the game. But I think looking at the first half and the balance of play, I think it's fair result.
How was the game today?
We were lucky.
First half, second half.
First half we were lucky. Second half we played well, but unlucky block from Matip or from Fabinho, I believe. Right? I mean, it was. How do I say? It's better than a loss.
Exactly.
We wanted the 3 points, but you know.
Are you happy with the 1 point against a title rival?
Yeah, I'm happy as long as we don't lose against Manchester United.
Naby Keita did not come on.
Yeah.
Bobby Firmino came on. Gomez came on as predicted against Milner. Obviously, he was on yellow.
Yeah, that was also
But
yellow card.
Fabinho, Jordan Henderson,
They improved.
they were out of breath by the end of the game.
They improved a lot.
Yeah,
Except that
so-
mini second for Fabinho.
Yeah, exactly.
That favor that reputation.
So, do you think if we brought in Naby Keita along in the midfield?
I don't think so. They
No?
did a good job. And
Right.
They were like good. We came in the flair we needed to, and that was good enough. We did not needed a player, that we needed the energy, and that was back.
All right. So, you happy with the draw?
I would say no, but now I have to say yes because yeah, they caused trouble at the end. But it was a great game.
All
So,
right.
yeah, a draw is fine. City obviously best team at the moment. A draw is fine.
Yeah, true. Right. Anshu bhai, enjoyed the game?
गेम बहुत अच्छा था. फर्स्ट हाफ थोड़ा डल था, बट सेकेंड हाफ बाद बिजली की तरह बहुत मज़ा आया. आई थिंक हम लोगों ने 2 पॉइंट ड्रॉप किया. We played really nice in second half, considering the Man City team and our bench. But it's okay, 1 point against a very good team.
Do you think that Matip goal was quite unlucky and Sterling could have been playing offside?
यार as a counter पे you can't say anything. This thing happens. But overall it was a very good second half. First half was really dull.
All right, guys, it's a draw, 1 point each. Are you happy with the result?
Considering the way how the game went, yeah. But given that it was at Anfield, no. It's again 2 points dropped. A draw with Chelsea also at Anfield, so that's 2 big games, 2 draws at Anfield.
Huge pressure on the away game for both the sides, right?
Yeah.
Stamford Bridge and at the Etihad.
I think like when we started the game in the first half, we would have been happy with a draw game, but the way we played in the second half, we should have finished as a winner. And Fabinho missing was just like.
Yeah.
We thought we could have. We already finished the game with that Fabinho shot, but
We should have killed the game when Salah scored. We should have killed it. And Klopp made the required substitutions. He brought on Gomez,
But I'm really happy with the way we are playing. We are killing the bottom teams and we are playing.
Credit to City. They're playing fantastically well, and coming to Anfield and playing like that, I think.
It's actually just the second time Pep has come to Anfield and attacked us.
Exactly.
Last time was last year. Is the second time. That's it. So speaks a lot about how they have evolved as well, right?
We are playing well, not as good as we were playing in last few seasons, but we are playing well against the top teams.
If we go on like this until January and still be in with a shout,
we have a good chance if we can pass.
So then after January you'll consider as good title challenges.
Because January is a very unpredictable thing because of the AFCON and all. So
even December,
fixtures and cup games, if we look at the past record, every time we
tend to lose points in the winter months.
Going into the second phase of the Premier League, it's like all the momentum has changed, right?
Yeah, the best part is our players are looking very sharp. Like Salah has scored almost every game except one, and Robertson is looking really sharp. Other than that, Trent, when fit, is good.
Yeah, Robbo and Salah were awesome.
Salah was awesome. The way he created the first goal and the second goal, I can feel it's goal of the season.
I think he's just.
This is Salah's season again, isn't it?
He's just a one.
And I think he missed the golden boot last year.
On to another level every time.
Another level, seriously. I mean, that's the right way to put it, right? Salah, every season he's still surprising us with another This guy just doesn't stop. He doesn't stop running. Doesn't stop scoring.
Reminiscent of that Napoli
goal, Spurs goal. There's so many of these kind of goals.
He was on top,
out of the box.
It was
also, I
think
this goal reminded me of goal against AS Roma.
Oh wow! Yes,
This
got the
goal
top corner,
reminded
top
me-
left corner.
Exactly. And
Also,
considering
I
this
think-
we scored against a much superior opposition, no disrespect to AS Roma, but City any day is far superior team than Roma. So this goal against some of the top defenders of the world with Kyle Walker, Ruben Dias, Laporte, this is much special for us. Request to SSG is give that guy
Any contract he wants.
Any fucking contract,
But
because
still,
to
he deserves
replace a player
500.
like Salah, they must be spending 150 million in future. So
I think against the big teams, the midfield is a little bit lacking.
Give him the contract before release.
I'm happy with the draw, to be very honest, given the first half, how we played in the first half. We just couldn't get hold of the ball. Attacking wasn't that bright. They were all over us, to be really honest, and credit to their team. They have the bench strength. They have good quality players in their side. Unfortunately, it was very embarrassing to see us playing the first half. Klopp surely had a word with them in the during halftime, which should not have happened, to be really honest, because you're playing at Anfield. You're expected to do better. You're expected to dominate there, which obviously didn't happen. Second half, wow, we turned up, and we turned up like anything, right? Unfortunate goal from Joel Matip, the deflection there. I'm not sure if it could have been offside or not. I'm not sure. Fabinho also missed a really close call. But Mo Salah, what a finish. Sadio Mane, brilliant, guys. I think it just had every single thing you want in a match, and it's good. Slightly disappointed because we drew with Chelsea and Man City at Anfield, two of the title challengers, and we were unable to finish and get all 3 points against both of them. But in a way, I think both the games could have gone anywhere, even the Chelsea game, because they did start out really bright until they were down one man, of course. But against City, I think it's a good draw. I would still love all 3 points, but you could see Henderson, Fabinho, everyone was so tired. They barely could run anymore. I think Salah and Robertson put in a shift today, and my God, they were absolutely amazing. And it's just great to see, like you have a team that spends around 150 million every single transfer window, and you have this Liverpool team. I think the only player changed in this Liverpool team was Diogo Jota at the starting lineup. It has been same for the past 2.5 years playing against Man City. So you really have to give credit to Klopp for still able to get the best out of this squad, and for the boys to do such a great job at Anfield against such a good team. So kudos to you guys. happy with the draw. Yes, I have to take it. But yeah, really hope to see us win the league this time around.